Alright, we're going to learn how to do we're going to learn how to draw in a Google Docs and using the draw add-on to add a signature to a document. So the first thing that we're going to do, always something that I always really like to do when I'm doing something important is title my document. So I'll go to Google, draw, assignment. Alright. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to draw. I'm going to add new. Alright. You're going to go all the way down to Scribble. This is like a free draw. All of these give you like really straight lines. This is freehand, the Scribble. So we're going to use that for our signature. But in terms of drawing a picture for my career, at the moment I work at a car wash because everything's online. So I'm going to go ahead and try to draw a car. I think it'd be a lot easier using the Scribble. Draw a car. Oh, this is horrendous. Okay. Oh. Little headlight here. Little window here. Little tail light there. Guess we'll do some light strips. Light strips. And I guess the stop sign would be cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pretend that's a stop sign. And so that is how you would draw something in your Google Doc. Now, if you want to draw something and add your signature to it, like put it at the bottom as if you were an artist, you could always, you do one or two things. If you want to do a print, you can add a text box right here, and you can print your name in it. Right, Armand. And then in that same text box, you can draw. Scribble. Boom. So that is my signature. And here's my picture. And that is how you use Google Draw. Thank you.